Hello everyone, this is Amen Love. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm making a very delicious stew. Inside here I have turkey, I have chicken, that's the chicken, and I have stripe, that's the stripe. Making delicious stew. Stay tight and enjoy. I'm putting the onions. Here I'm putting the all-season purpose. I have curry, thyme, Maggi, chicken cube, rosemary, ginger, garlic, all-season purpose. So I'm stirring it that I would like to steam for some minutes so that the juicy, for it to be juicy, I'm just stirring and stirring. I'm going to cover it for some minutes. Yeah, look at that. You can see some of the stock water coming out already, so that all the season purpose will be, to make it more yummy, more delicious. So I'm going to add some water to it so that I can get more of the stock water. Yeah, so I like to cook for some minutes. Look at that. I'm taking it out so I can put in oven for it to grill. That's my tomatoes. In here I have tomatoes, I have bell pepper, I have onions, fresh pepper, ginger, garlic, So here I want to fry my onions with my olive oil. Yeah, I'm putting all the whole tomatoes. I'm stirring it. I would like to fry so that it soon gets burnt. I just have to keep frying and frying, stirring and stirring so that it soon gets burnt, because I want it to dry. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, here's my stock meat water. So I'll stir it and I would like to fry a bit. I like to fry. Wow, look at that, delicious. The aroma is something else. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to season it with chicken cube and salt. So I'm still stirring it. I'll cover it so that it can fry a little bit. Yeah, it's fried. I'm stirring it so it won't get burnt. So I'm going to put in my protein. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to put in my protein. That's the turkey, the chicken, and the stripe in the stew. The stew is so delicious, very yummy. Look at that. Wow. The aroma is so inviting. So I'll cover it. Yes. So my delicious stew is ready. I hope you guys enjoy it. You can try my recipe at home. Please share, like, and comment. If you want to ask any question, feel free to put it on the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting me. God bless you all. Enjoy your delicious stew.